Dave Snyder here. It is November the 8th, 2012. Okay, so this is an alignment I showed, I don't know, almost 2 weeks ago maybe? Yeah, about 2 weeks ago, week and a half. Okay, this is the one where I lined up Romania up here. I lined up, hold on a second, let me turn the weather off for a second. Right up here I lined up Romania with this shape on the, right here. That shape, see that? This is the one I showed. You can watch the video where I discovered this. I don't remember what it's titled, but the center, right there, the center. Okay, just check out the weather, to the live streaming weather. This has been set in place, and I haven't adjusted it at all. It's set in place. It doesn't. You can see that it doesn't move. I have everything set in the same exact place. Okay, so here you go. Here's the weather. Oh boy, look at the weather. Okay, so what we got here is watch. You're going to have these clouds fitting right in here. See the curve? Look at the clouds come on and off right here. Live streaming weather. Look at all the way around that turn. All the way around the turn. Then look at it right here. Just follow it around. Just follow that weather all the way around. Then check out this weather right here. Wow. Tell me the moon's never hit the earth. That's an accurate alignment right there. Look at that weather fit today. Wow. That is something else. Look at that fit. All the way around the whole thing. You see the whole thing all the way around. Reversed image overlay, a Mare Oriental crater over the top of, I guess, part of Africa, in the Atlantic, I guess. Europe, this whole area. Look at that. That's the scale. That shows the size of the moon. When I show you that, the weather in the clouds, just like that, and then I'll show you how it fits on the land. Look at that. That is the size of the moon. This is the actual size of that crater. This crater alone. When I measure this, is bigger than the moon is. And they say twice as big as the moon. They say the moon is. Just that crater right now. The way it sits on the earth right there. Let's take a look at it over the earth. Right there in the Atlantic. Look at all this weather fit up here. Right in here. You can see the weather fit. I mean, it's all, that curve is all there. Look at it. It's all filled in all the way around. And you see all this. That shows you right there. That shows you something. It should show you something. That's for damn sure. That shows you something. Like I said, this crater's been set in place. I did not even know what the weather looked like today here. I was just checking it out. And here you go. A good weather day today. Pretty fascinating. It's just like the most important thing on the planet. That's all. I'm serious. I mean, that is the most important thing you'll ever see. Right there. That shows you everything everything you need to know. Everything you need to know about the earth right there. It tells you everything. Every mountain was created. Everything. Look at that weather fit there. Reversed image overlay, Mare Oriental over the earth. Measure it. There's the size of the moon right there, right about there. The whole moon. Okay, and this thing leaves this big old crater like this. Okay, so I'm just saying. Look at that weather. Just get a good look at that weather. Look how it hugs in it. Look at how it fits right in here. Look at this. Look at the texture on the moon. Look at the texture in the weather. Look at this right here. Look at these lines. That's because I have this set right in the right spot on the earth. The only reason why it does that is it's set in the right spot. That's the only reason why it will fit like that. And I never, when I lined this up, it wasn't with this weather here. Actually, I didn't even, the weather wasn't really helping me much on this one, I don't think. Romania is how I lined this one up. I lined this one up with Romania. Right there, like I said, this is the shape of Romania right here, this shape on the moon, right? Check it out. Shape of Romania, see that? Okay, so you line that up, and you line that up. It's a big volcano in the ocean. The islands there, the Azores or whatever they are. Okay, there you go. That's lined up. Then you turn the weather on. And that weather confirms what I'm trying to tell you. That the moon hits the earth. There's no way that that shapes the weather from space, and there's no way that side, this side of the moon doesn't even face the earth anymore. It used to face the earth. It used to face the earth, this side of the moon. This is why they built pyramids. This is why they built Stonehenge. You name it. This is not even the only impact. There's another one right in the middle of the Sahara, right here. A whole another impact. So, and there's one right here in North America, right here, right there. All at about the same level, right there, same line right there across northern hemisphere, right between the pole and the equator, basically. Right here, and then one right here, and then one right here. And you can see, watch this. Look at this fit. Look at this line around Africa right here on the moon right there. Look at that. See that? And there you go. Look at that fit. All this. Look at the texture in the ocean. Hey, look at all that. Look. So that weather is pretty amazing. You got to check that weather out again one more time. Look at the weather. The clouds come down the side right here. Look at that. Oh man. Perfect fit all the way around. Here it's starting to disappear a little bit, so we got to check it out as quick as we can here. Like I said, live streaming weather. See this? You can even see the line right here that it swirls around right here. See some kind of line right here. Right here. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this fit. Look how it fits in there, the weather. Tell me. The moon's never hit the earth. Tell me the moon's, look at it, then look at this. See what I mean? That right there, that video right there this video right here shows you more than enough to prove that the moon's hit the earth right there. Look at that. I'll come back next week and we'll check it again. Let's check some other ones. I got some other ones too that are lining up real good today. I think this area was lining up pretty good earlier. Let's check it out. Find it. I think this is high up here. Right here. Okay, so look at this one lined up today. This is one that I did a while back too. Weather. Check it out up here, look. See it follow the line up here? See this line? See this how it fits right inside the lines? Check this out. That's kind of a cool one right there. I like this part right here where it comes down this way. You see all these areas right here, these light gray. This is where they hide. This is a touched up picture of the moon. Guaranteed that that's touched up right there. Let me show you. Let me just show you right here. This whole area right here is completely touched in this picture to hide the Grand Canyon, to hide all of this Colorado, the Rocky Mountains, and all of this Yellowstone. It hides every bit of it, but you can see that it goes there for sure. Just all this gray right here you see is all being hidden. You can see that that's touched up. Totally see that that's touched up all the way. Here's the Grand Canyon. It's supposed to be right there. Look, Grand Canyon is supposed to be right there. Not even close. You can totally tell that's blemished. But then you got the rest of it all touched up all the way up to Yellowstone up here. California being pretty much hidden there. But you come up here and you see the curve where it curves in right here on the moon. You see this curve where it curves in right there in the same spot. It's the same thing. This thing fits all the way up to the top. And then you turn on the weather and you check the weather and you can see how the weather fits. Just like that. Not as good as the other one, but it's still pretty good. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Should look at Tycho. Tycho. Look at that. It's hard to see on Tycho, but you can see that it fits. The weather fits. Hold on a second. There it goes. You can see the same texture in there. Look at the clouds, and then look at the texture in that. You see that down here. Zoom in some. See that right there? Look at this right here. See that in that picture? This area right here? Look. You can see that. So there's Tycho. And another one hits over here too, one that I'd never showed before pretty much. Well, maybe I have showed it once before. But it's this one here. It's hard to see. It's from Google Moon. That's why I don't give you anything in this one. It's a difficult one right there. That one hits right there. This is the back side of the moon that we don't see. That's an impact right there in the Pacific Ocean, right there. You can see the curves. It's hard to see on this one, but you can see. I hope if you can see that. I hope you can see that. See the curve and the lines in the ocean, or on the moon right there. See how it all curves. This kind of curves around this way. It's hard to see because that's a Google Moon image. It's the best image. I can't find any other image of this one, so it's hard to find. I'm pretty sure that's pretty close. And actually, the color one looked better today. Actually, seemed like it fit really good down here. Weather right here. See how it fills in this area. The weather does. This one's hard to see because it's color, but this one shows. I mean, it gives us just a little bit. See how it kind of curves around this way too. And then when I put Tycho over this, you can see Tycho. Oh, hold on, Tycho looks good over it, pretty good. Turn this off. You can see how Tycho and this share some of the same pattern right here. See how this got this curve right here, this line kind of where the blast pattern kind of changes right here, and then you see the same thing here. And then the overall shape of the whole thing is pretty much the same as this area here. You see this area here. I mean, looks pretty much the same. So they hit the same spot, and then you see this is. You can see like in this. You can see kind of this curve right here when this comes straight down. But you can see this curve, this big bulge right there. You can see the same. That's what's right. See that how that fits? Pretty good. Then you see this one right here. Look at that one. Right there. This one shares a lot of the same ones. You just got to look. Look at that. Same texture all the way through. Look at that. Okay, well that's it. I just wanted to show you that first one was really good. So hope you watch the whole thing. And now you know the moon hits the Earth, huh? All right.